Have you ever felt the tug of a new day? The thrill of possibilities stretching out before you? Just as dawn breaks, our bodies awaken, and every movement becomes a canvas for potential. But what if I told you that there's a secret, a simple yet transformative practice, that can elevate your daily journey and enhance your physical and mental well-being? Welcome to the realm of daily stretching, a journey that promises to shape your body, your spirit, and your outlook on life. Imagine, for a moment, a world where your body moves with grace and ease, where tension melts away, and where each step feels like a dance. This world isn't a distant dream. It's a reality waiting to unfold through the art of stretching. Today, we embark on an extraordinary exploration of how daily stretching can influence your body, your mind, and your overall vitality. Have you ever wondered why athletes and yogis alike extol the virtues of stretching? The truth is, stretching is more than just a prelude to exercise. It's a gateway to the full potential of your body. Let's dive into the enchanting world of stretching and unveil the remarkable effects it has on your muscles, your movement, and your quality of life. As we journey through the benefits of stretching, let's pause to appreciate the symphony of transformation it orchestrates within you. Imagine your muscles, once tight and reluctant, gradually becoming supple and responsive. Each stretch becomes a brushstroke on the canvas of your body, painting a picture of improved flexibility, increased range of motion, and enhanced muscle performance. With each stretch, you're inviting your body to express its full potential. But stretching isn't confined to the physical realm. It's a gateway to emotional release and mental clarity. Just as our bodies carry tension, our minds bear the weight of stress. Picture yourself as an artist, using stretching as your medium to create space within, to release worries, and to find refuge in the present moment. As you elongate your muscles, you'll feel an almost meditative calm washing over you, soothing the storms of everyday life. Let's journey further into the heart of stretching's magic: injury prevention and recovery. In the grand tapestry of your physical well-being, stretching acts as a guardian, shielding you from the perils of overexertion. Whether you're an avid gym goer or simply navigating the demands of life, daily stretching acts as your armor, protecting you from injuries that may lurk around the corner. As you embrace the ritual of stretching, you're investing in a future of strength and resilience. As the curtain rises on your stretching journey, you'll discover a fascinating synergy between stretching and muscle growth. It's not a mere coincidence that athletes often intertwine these two practices. Imagine your muscles as a well-tuned orchestra, each note resonating with strength and harmony. By stretching after your workouts, you're ensuring that your muscles maintain their elasticity, enhancing your overall strength, and setting the stage for remarkable progress. Stretching isn't just about isolated moments. It's about a lifestyle that infuses vitality into every facet of your being. It's about rising with the sun, greeting your body with a gentle stretch that ushers in the day's possibilities. It's about seizing moments throughout your day to recalibrate, to invite your body to dance through life's challenges. And as the day draws to a close, it's about bidding adieu with a final stretch, releasing the day's burdens and inviting tranquility. With every stretch, you're crafting a more harmonious relationship with your body, a partnership of mutual support and understanding. As you commit to this daily practice, your body becomes a canvas that reflects your dedication, your mindfulness, and your commitment to holistic well-being. And now, as our journey through the world of daily stretching draws to a close, remember that each stretch isn't just a physical motion. It's a testament to your desire to live life to the fullest. With each stretch, you're whispering to your body, "I value you and I'm here to nurture you." As we part ways today, take this practice with you, incorporate it into your days, and let it guide you towards a future where your body moves with grace, your spirit soars, and your outlook on life shines brightly. With that said, I extend my heartfelt gratitude for joining me on this journey of self-discovery and transformation through daily stretching. Until our paths cross again, keep stretching, keep moving, and keep embracing the remarkable power within you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, may your days be filled with the beauty of mindful movement. Thanks for watching, Everyone make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Hope everyone is having an amazing day and comment what you learned from today's video, and we will see you in the next one.